Okay, next exercise, we take it a little bit further, the same drop, quick drop down to the ground, and then you're going to roll to cover, okay? So basically you'll be dropping down to the ground, keep the legs out, you straighten your arms, and you start rolling to cover. Okay, once you get to cover, again, you assess the situation. You stand up, and you make a decision what you're going to do. Okay, we'll see the staff come through and practice this as well.